Well, hello, beautiful babes. It is I, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all, so glad to have you. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you here. If you're one of my returning subscribers that's been here, that's been hanging out with your girl, I got some good info today. Listen, I started to get all dolled up, but I didn't. I came on fresh-faced, okay, and excited that next month I will be turning 62 years old. So I said, why not rock this 62-year-old skin? Because I am definitely not ashamed of it, because baby, I am sharing my skin today in all of its glory, because your girl has a very special tool that she's been using that I wanted to share with y'all today. And I am proof positive that this tool is going to be something that you will be investing in, because you too want to get that snap back in the skin. So let me share with you my MimiSilk device. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this beautiful girl right here, she's come through for me. She has come through for me. And if you follow my journey, I love beauty. I love taking care of my skin. And I also love trying to find that right tool that's going to do a job that I have had so many dreams about that a beauty tool can do. And this MimiSilk device has showed me something. It showed me that with consistency, you too can achieve the look you desire in your skin with consistency. Consistency is the key, because I have spent time with this baby for the last several weeks, actually 4 weeks. So I know that many of you all probably saw me unbox this many weeks ago. But today we're going to talk about the results of the MimiSilk device. So if you're ready for it, let's talk. Let's show some proof that it works. All right. So this is my bare skin before treatment. No makeup, no filters, natural lighting. Now my main concerns were skin texture, visible pores, and some uneven tone near my eye and on my top portion of my cheeks, and overall mature skin issues like fine lines and lack of firmness. I also notice areas where my skin can get oily, especially around the T-zone. Now, before using the device, I start with completely clean skin. I wash my face, pat it dry, and make sure there are no oils, serums, or makeup on my face. Now, I also make sure that the device is fully charged. Always follow the instruction manual so you're using it properly and safely. Now let me show you how I used the MimiSilk IRIS device. I power the device on and select the treatment zone. The device is designed with intelligent zones so you can treat different areas of the face carefully and evenly. I gently place the device against my skin and move methodically across each section of my face, making sure I don't overlap excessively and I don't rush. The sensation is very mild, not painful, more like a light warmth or tiny prickly feeling, but very tolerable. For me, there was little to no redness afterward, and I could go right back to my normal routine. Now, this is a non-ablative fractional laser device, which means it works beneath the surface of the skin while keeping the outer layer intact. The goal is to support your skin's natural collagen production over time, so results are gradual and build with consistency instead of instant but temporary changes. Now, I stayed consistent and followed the recommended treatment schedule, and after the use phase, there is a rest phase. That period is important because the skin continues renewing and rebuilding collagen during that time. Now, this is my 4-week comparison. What I noticed first was smoother skin texture. My pores looked more refined, and my skin didn't get as oily during the day in the T-zone. And my overall tone looked more even. Now, after completing the treatment cycle and allowing the rest period, I actually noticed continued improvement. My skin felt firmer, looked healthier, and had a more polished appearance. This is definitely a gradual improvement device. The changes build over time instead of overnight. I think this type of device is especially helpful for people dealing with visible pores, uneven texture, oil balance issues, post-acne marks, and mature skin that needs collagen support. My experience has been that consistency matters. It's not a one-day miracle tool. It's actually a skin renewal device that works progressively. If you're interested in at-home skin technology focused on texture and collagen support, this is definitely one to research and learn more about. I've definitely been impressed by this product, and I personally highly recommend it. Listen, I have for you all in the description box my affiliate link as well as a discount code. You know I'm going to take care of my beautiful babes. And I know y'all be saying, girl, you aging in reverse. Well, you know, I don't know if it's aging in reverse, but I definitely am happy to have access to such tools as the MimiSilk IRIS device. And baby, I'm going to continue this journey because your girl, as I always say, is going to continue to do whatever she can to defy age. Bye.
They thought they could stop me with walls made of doubt. Try to silence my roar, try to count me out. But I was born from fire, from prayer, from truth. Every scar on my heart turned into proof. When the road got heavy, when the night got cold, I heard a voice inside me say it's stronger than gold. I didn't break, I bent, I didn't fall, I flew. Every storm I faced just showed me what I could do. You can try to block my light, but I was built for more than fight. I don't just survive the